Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to prepare prawns curry. Take 500 grams of prawns. Items required for this curry: 2 green chilies, 2 onions, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, garam masala, coriander powder, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste. Take a clean prawns and add 1/4 of turmeric and salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Turn on the stove and heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated prawns into the pan and fry for 5 minutes and make sure water should be evaporated. Take the fried prawns into the bowl. In that pan only I am going to add some oil. Add green chilies and finely chopped onions and saute it for 2 minutes and turn them into golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 minutes. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt and saute for 2 minutes. Add cup of water and saute it. In this gravy, I am going to add prawns and saute for 2 minutes and put it on the low flame for 5 minutes. Add coriander leaves. Prawns curry is ready to serve. You can enjoy this curry with rice or chapati. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen.